Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Neverness to Everness game not working on Android phone. So if you are also into the same situation, then just follow the methods discussed in this video. So what you need to do is the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart or simple restart. Once your device restarts, now check if the game is working or not. If not, next is to check your device baseline. So make sure your phone is running on Android 10 or higher version and it has a minimum of 6 GB RAM and around 20 GB free memory for the mobile version. So make sure you have all the requirements to play the game hassle free. Next is to check for storage space. So make sure your phone has enough storage space. So for that you have to go to settings and after that click on RAM and storage, and here you will find if there is any storage problem or so. If yes, you have to delete some unused apps or content or data or games, and after that create some space and then try to launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. Next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Neverness to Everness game, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, launch it and then check whether the game is working or not. If not, then you should check if the phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings, then go below, and here you have to click on system update and check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. If there is any update available, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and then check. Next, if the game still shows the same error, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon and click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once you have done this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Neverness to Everness game and finally click on the install option. So once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.